Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zaki Kosim from 11 Science 5. In the video, I will explain about unemployment. Explanation texts are texts that describe natural or social process or phenomenon. Explanation text structure. First, general statement contains a general statement on the topic to be explained. Second, sequence of cause and effect contains a detailed explanation on the occurrence process that is presented in the sequence or in stage from the earliest to the most recent. Third, interpretation contains conclusion about the topic that have been explained. Text explanation about unemployment. Unemployment is a social phenomenon that is related to aspects of employment that are a problem in society. Much effort has been made to overcome this problem, but it has not yet been overcome. Unemployment is not only happening in Indonesia, but almost in all countries. There are interpreting that unemployment is an adult who does not work and is looking for work or has no formal work and not earned. The Central Statistic Agency provides a definition of unemployment: people who work less than 1 hour every week. One of the basic factors causing unemployment is the gap between job seekers and employment opportunities. Structural changes in the economy are also a cause of unemployment, so that these changes cause the emergence of needs for workers with varying skill levels. So, job seekers cannot get jobs because they do not comply with demands. And not if frequently, unemployment is also caused due to termination of employment of employees and workers. Unemployment results in various economic and social problems. So, if there is a lot of unemployment, social costs will definitely arise. The number of homeless people with increased and criminal potential will be even higher. So, unemployment is a big problem that must be addressed immediately. One of them is by improving employment conditions. In addition, improving the composition of graduates, reproduce and adjust to the needs of the labor market can reduce unemployment, or we can provide sufficient skill for them so they can create their own jobs, and various other ways we can do to overcome unemployment. Many explanatory texts about unemployment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.